September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah.
Hi, hello, welcome to my channel, Pinay Visaya and Belgium. Hi, this is our mukbang fish together with my son. So I have difficult to hold because it's standing all. It's a long. The stand is a very long one, so I cannot hold. I don't know how long I will stay like this. Dominio. You regret maybe? You regret?
I like it, but it's not.
Yeah? You don't have to force yourself if you cannot.
Or just eat little bit, but just the calamars and the kidney, the rest you can have.
Yeah. Because you eat already also the chicken, that's why.
I can take this.